Liwanag, Michelle Satonga. So, welcome to Nautical University of the Philippines, Manila. I am a student and you're here in beauty care and so now, as for your information, I have the structure questionnaire that you need to fill out. So, this will assist me in understanding your required traits and preferred learning methods. So, the learner pass structured question. So, you have 15 minutes to finish the questionnaire. Time's up, please pass the papers. So, from what I observed, Christian and Michelle Sadondo are both undergraduates. So, both you are physically fit and each of you has distinct learning styles and both of you are visual learners. So, now I want you to answer the self-check assessment papers. So, this is a checklist of competencies required in this qualification. This will help you to determine your current competencies. Please put a check to yes or no. And read carefully all competencies that enumerate on that type. So please pass the to those who put check yes, we will undergo notification or prior learning in which we will undergo a situational assessment which is divided into three written demonstration and oral training. As I review your self-assessment checklist, I noticed that both of you are already competent in performing at your assessment. So please present your proof of evidence by tomorrow. And by tomorrow, we will undergo a situational evaluation. Please pass all these. So, and we will proceed to answering your questions. So, okay. So, this written test is designed to assess your foundational knowledge of competencies in performing manicure and sedation in order to evaluate your understanding and readiness for this qualification. This is 40 item test and you have only 35 minutes to okay, pass already. Now let's proceed to our orientation. Let's start our discussion regarding the competency-based learning.
Ito nga, mag-ano ka mo ganyan? Oh!
We also have training metrics, the achievement chart, and your process chart. Now, let's proceed to the library. So, number one is the contextual learning laboratory. So, this is the area where we currently are. So, number two is learning resources area. So, here that you will study your intermediate school. Number three is practical work area. done? Now you have done. It's time for your demonstration. Miss Luana. Next, Lisa Dongdong. Are you done? So let's proceed to our question. So what is manicure?
It is a treatment for the hand.
So based on the result of your institutional assessment, you got 90% in your written test. So in your demonstration, you were able to follow the procedure. For the oral questioning, you were able to answer